everybody, I am here today with my Allure beauty box for the month of December. Allure beauty box, for those of you who don't know, is a monthly subscription, and for $15 a month you get Allure beauty editor picks with a $50 to $90 value. And it's mostly like sample size, the occasional full size. This one is like bursting at the seams to get out, so let's see what's in there. It's really full. Inside of each box you get this little mini mag that has a quick page write-up on everything that's in the book, written up by one of the editors. So let's see. The first thing in here is a card for talking about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. Oh my. And that is the first item. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. This is just a straight up full-size palette. And I think this is like a $40 value all by itself. So this is one of those months where we get one really good full-size item. I'm gonna do the quick fingers across my hand to see what these colors look like. The names of the colors are Blue Ice, Star, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. Does that sound familiar to anyone? Suddenly I feel hungry and I want to watch cartoons. I wonder why. Okay. Whoa, those are bold. Now there's no prep on my hand, and I am just doing a quick one finger swipe for each of these. And let's see how they show up on camera. They are pretty bold in person. Oh, you can see them. Let us see what Allure has to say about this palette. Besides, wow, we gave you a whole big old palette. I hope you enjoy it. Highlighters can be more than silver and gold. This one has 6 pans filled with icy pastel shades of pink, green, blue, and foil-like silver called Star. So there's a lot you can do with this. I mean, I guess it's pretty obvious from the number of shades there are. This editor says she was a little intimidated. My favorite highlight already comes in these tones. It's a unicorn heart that a friend brought me back from Japan. It's a little bit less pastel than these. But yeah, I'm excited about this. This is a like great value. Thank you, Allure. Let's see. The next item that I will pull out of my little box is another, are these all? Is this just the Anastasia box? Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Bohemian. Yeah. And then in the color Bohemian, which is like a darker, it's in the red family. There. Do a little. More of a cranberry. Let's see. It's going to dry down to a powdery matte, they say in a split second. Mine's still pretty wet. So it's supposed to be a matte color. We'll see. Mine has not yet dried down. We'll keep an eye on that. It seems like it would spread, like you wouldn't need much product though. Even just a little bit I put on my hand, I feel like I could have used less if I'm honest, so interesting. We'll see how long it takes to dry down. We'll keep posted. Not quite yet. Well, like half of the heart is dried down now. Okay. I'm gonna pull out the next thing. It's another tube. It's another Anastasia. Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And honestly, when I think of Anastasia Beverly Hills products, I think of brows. I think that's, I mean, they're clearly doing a lot. They have lips, they have really sweet highlight palettes, but I think, in my mind at least, they're synonymous with brows. It's always what I think of. And there's the little tube looks like. Wow, okay, this month's Allure Beauty Box brought to you by Anastasia. I see you. Clear Brow Gel is, you know, Clear Brow Gel. It do what it do. You're not gonna be surprised. Okay, the next thing I see is First Aid Beauty Fab Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Oh, that is a solid amount of face moisturizer. These products are huge. This box is like, this might not be full size, but it is a hefty sample. Once the indoor heat goes up, your skin gets so dry. The winter is so drying. They're saying that this moisturizer, even though it's lightweight, lasts all day and is not super greasy. It has shea butter in it, and you don't need to reapply during the day, which, I mean, it sounds dubious, but safe for sensitive skin. I mean, who doesn't want more moisturizer in the winter? I haven't met that person, but I'm so dry, so I guess maybe I'm biased. And the last item in my box this month is a Christophe Robin scrub, cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. It's ideal as a detox or a post-coloring treatment. It goes on wet hair. You massage it right into your scalp, and then use it on the links and ends if you need to. Christophe Robin. It's a glittery, sticky paste that looks like it's made of crushed opals. Okay. Now I'm curious to look in there. Oh, yeah, it's pretty shiny. I don't know about crushed opals. Oh, and my, oh, it does smell good though, now that it's open. I would also like to report that this Anastasia lip has mostly dried down. When I open this up, I get a little bit of transfer on my hand. You can even see it there. But it's mostly dried down now. So this is, in the book they make it sound like it's a shampoo. And on the bottle it says more, sounds more like a treatment. You got, it removes residue from your scalp and your hair. Gets rid of buildup so your hair can be fuller, more vibrant, and I quote, more excellent. So if you're looking to be more excellent this holiday season, I guess Christophe Robin is where you're at. Although this stuff is pretty expensive, and if you're going to use it like a shampoo instead of an occasional treatment, I don't know about all that. That is everything in this month's Allure Beauty Box. You guys, I'm kind of gagging on this box, to be honest. All of these Anastasia products, I really like the color this has dried down to. It's a little darker than it looked when I first put it on. But I mean, this highlight palette, this might be my pick. These colors are really pretty. I don't even know. Like I said, I'm gagging. Everything in this box seems great. $50 shampoo build-up paste. Sure, why not? Let's go. Allure, you've done it. This box was bursting with not only products, but with the joy in my heart, apparently. What is your pick from this box? Is it also this palette? It probably is, right? I mean, yeah. It is a $40 palette in my $15 box. Yeah. No, this is a real good one. Regardless of which item you like the best, thank you for opening my box with me. I truly enjoy opening my boxes with you, and I can't wait to hear how you feel about what was inside this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell for notifications that may or may not happen. And until I see you next time, stay shiny, bro. Goodbye. For more adventures of a girl in her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our lives around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Allure beauty box down at the bottom, and don't forget to click on the circular icon of my face to subscribe. Thanks for watching!